Are you the person who joins the meeting 5 minutes earlier or 2 minutes late? Are you the person who responds to an email an hour later? And are you the person who delivers the work before time or after time? Yes, I am talking about punctuality. You see, punctuality is considered a very important skill that many of us ignore or many of us take it very lightly. I'll tell you a story. When I started working in Mumbai, I used to catch a 4:30 local train to reach at my workplace before 7 a.m. My work started at 7 a.m. Any day, if I miss the 4:30 local, the train, I got late at work 30 to 45 minutes. So I made sure that I was at the train station 5 minutes earlier. And that's the reason I followed this process of being before time at my train station for almost 2 years. And that made me understand that punctuality is very important. If you are punctual, you are considered as a professional. If you are late, you are considered as a laid back person or a person who does not care about others' value, others' time. Someone else who's already joined the meeting and on time is waiting for you is not a good sign for your career. So I want to make sure that you understand the value of punctuality. If you've told your boss that you will give a deliverable by 5 p.m., you make sure that 4:55 p.m., if you are not able to deliver the work on time, at least inform that person that I will be late, I need another 1 hour. Don't let the other person follow up with you about the status. That's something which you need to consider about punctuality. If you're joining a meeting, make sure you join at least 1 minute before the meeting. If you're not able to join the meeting, send out a note to the person who is an organizer that you will be late for at least 5 minutes. But I would not recommend that because that creates a different scenario or different perception for you in others' mind. So I want to make sure that you are punctual, you are making sure that you are joining the meetings on time, you're responding to emails immediately. Even if it is a low priority email, make sure you respond to that email as soon as you receive it. See, if you are sending an email to someone for an information and if that person is responding 2 days later, that value of your question is lost. You have built a perception about that person that this person is not ready to help. It can happen exactly with you. If someone is asking you an information, right away send out that information. It'll take 1 or 2 minutes of you for writing that email response. So make sure that your responses are on time, you reach office on time, you leave office on time, you attend meetings on time, right? So I want to make sure that punctuality, you start developing that habit of being punctual. Being punctual is one of the good quality of an ace performer. So if you want to excel yourself at workplace, start developing this habit or start developing this skill. Punctuality is a skill. Nobody has it. Like, it's very small thing but creates a lot of impact on others' mind and build a different perception about you. So make sure you build this skill, you develop this skill, and you create an impact at your workplace. Follow me on Instagram, join my Facebook page, and also join my WhatsApp group. I am sharing a lot of information about transforming your life to be an ace performer. I am on a mission to transform 1 million lives by redesigning their approach with my process-driven framework to be helpful for you to excel at your workplace and be an ace performer. So be focused, be consistent, be dedicated, and be invincible.